Hello, folks. My name is George Cantrif. You can also call me GEOCAN. I am the CEO of GEOCAN Educational Channel and also your host for Solve Math on the GEOCAN Educational Channel. Yes, today we are going to look at simple tricks when it comes to multiplying two-digit numbers by two digits. Yes, if you've not watched Solve Math before, Solve Math is a platform that seeks to tackle mathematical problems and makes it simpler for your consumption. So please pay critical attention here. These are simple tricks that if you are conversant with them, it's really going to help you in your mathematics. Now, we have 11 multiplying 12. And in using these simple tricks, this is what you have to do. Now, the first digit takes on the first digit here. So you multiply the first digit here with the first digit here. Then the second digit here also multiplies the second digit on the other side. So with this, 1 multiplying 1, that's 1 times 1 will give you 1. Then you leave a space. As I said, the second digit here multiplies the second digit here. So 1 times 2 is the same as 2 times 1, which will give you what? 2. Good. Now, you are not done. There will be a value here. How will you get that value? This time, first digit here multiplies the second digit here. Then the second digit here multiplies the first digit here. So this time is the other way around, right? Good. So we have 1 times 2, because this 2 is the second digit here, which will give you what? 2 plus now 1 times 1, because this is the second digit here and this is the first digit. So 1 times 1, which will give you what? 1. Good. So you have 2 plus 1. Just sum it, which will give you what? 3. Good. What it simply means is that the answer is 132. So 11 times 12 is 132. We've used the tricks. I hope you got it. Let's look at the second one and you understand it the more. Good. As I said, this first digit here will take on the what? The first digit here. So this one takes on what? Takes on that. And the second digit also takes on the what? The second digit. I hope you got it, right? So the first digit, which is 2 times 1, will give you what? 2. So you write your 2, you leave a space. Now, second digit multiplying second digit here. Second digit here is what? 4. Second digit here is 1. So 4 times 1 is what? 4. Good. We are not done. There is a value here. How do you get that value? That is the other way round, right? Meaning your first digit here will go multiply the second digit here. Then the second digit will multiply the first digit. That is how you get the value here. So first digit here is what? 2. So 2 times what? Your second digit here, which is 1. So 2 times 1 will give you what? 2. Plus your second digit here is what? 4. It should multiply the first digit here, right? So 4 times what? 1, which will give you what? 4. Good. Meaning 2 plus 4 will give you what? 6. So what it means is that 24 times 11 will give you 264. Voila, easy as ABCD. I hope you got it, right? We have some trial questions here. I'll urge you to pause the video, take time to solve these trial questions. We have 12 times 13 and 31 times 11. Use these tricks. It's easy. And when we return, we shall tackle them. It's so bad. Love